let's look at these two circles. How are they related to one another? The way they are.
Externally tangent.
Externally tangent. So I'm going to put the radii in the center of this circle. From the center, we fix our, so this will be the radius of our bigger circle. Okay, so we put this as the radius of our bigger circle. Let's get the radius of our smaller circle. Put this as the radius of our smaller circle. So this is the radius of our smaller circle. Now, when the circles are externally tangent, as we see them, what can you say about the distance between the centers of the circles and the sum of the radii? Let me use this to show the distance. The distance between the center of this circle, this from the center of the circle to the center of this circle. So let me put that as the distance. So as you can see, when these circles are externally tangent, what can we say about the distance, how it relates to the sum of the radii of the circles? Is the distance between the centers of the circles greater than, less than, or equal to the sum of the radii?
The distance is equal to the sum of the radii.
Good. So if I make my distance my first term of comparison, I'll say when the circles are externally tangent, the distance between the centers of the circle is equal to the sum of the radii. Where r equals the radius of the small circle and capital letter R is the radius of the bigger circle. So if I make the sum of the radii as my first term of comparison, what can I say? How does the sum of the radii of the two circles compare to the distance between the centers of the two circles? Is the sum of the radii greater than, less than, or equal to the distance?
The sum of the radii is equal to the distance.
Okay, so the sum of the radii is equal to the distance. Okay, so the sum of the radii is equal to the distance. So the sum of the radii is equal to the distance. Okay, so the sum of the radii is equal to the distance. So the sum of the radii is equal to the distance. Okay, so the sum of the radii is equal to the distance. Okay, so the sum of the radii is equal to the distance. Okay, so the sum of the radii is equal to the distance. So that's what we see when the two circles are externally tangent.